Hello friends and dear children, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to see comparison of numbers. How do we compare any two numbers by using mathematical symbols? What are the symbols we use to compare any two numbers? That we are going to discuss now. See children, here there are two groups. 1, 2. There are two groups. So, in these groups, we can see some objects. What is the object here? What is the object, children? Yes, you're right. It is a chocolate. Children, do you like chocolates? Yes, I also like chocolates. Do you like it? Yes. Then how many chocolates are here? Shall we count the number of chocolates? Yes, we will count. Let us start counting the number of chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many chocolates are there? There are 5 chocolates. Let us write the number of chocolates here. How many chocolates are there in total in the first group? We have 5 chocolates. How many chocolates are there in the second group? Let us count. 1, 2. Only 2 chocolates. In the second group, we have only 2 chocolates. Which group has more number of chocolates here? Yes, this group, because in this group we can see more number of chocolates. In the second group, we have only 2 chocolates. But in the first group, in addition to 2 chocolates, we have 3 more chocolates. How many more are there? In the first group, there are 3 more chocolates. So which one is the bigger number in 5 and 2? Yes, 5 is the bigger number. Why? Because it has more number of objects. So 5 is the bigger number. 5 is bigger than 2. 5 is bigger than 2. 2 is the smaller number and 5 is the bigger number. So in mathematics, we use a symbol greater than to show the greatest numbers or the bigger numbers. So this is the symbol called greater than. So 5 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 2. Or 5 is bigger than 2. So the open end of the symbol should always faces to the bigger number. What is the bigger number here? 5 is the bigger number and 2 is the smaller number. So 5 is bigger than 2. 5 is bigger than 2. It is indicated by the symbol greater than. What is this symbol, children? This is greater than symbol. This greater than symbol is used to indicate bigger numbers or biggest numbers or greatest numbers. This is arrow. This arrow mark points towards the smaller numbers and the open end of the symbol faces towards the bigger numbers. So if you open your right hand, so this open end of the symbol should faces towards the bigger numbers. So what is the name of this symbol? Children, this mathematical symbol name is greater than. Greater than. So the greater than symbol is used only for bigger numbers. To show the bigger numbers, we use greater than symbol. Okay? Now we will see which symbol is used to show the smaller numbers. Now see children, again we have 2 groups of objects. Now look at the first group. In this group, what is this object? Yes, you're right. It is an ice cream. Children, do you like ice cream? Yes. During the summer, we want to eat ice creams. Now, how many ice creams are there in this group? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? There are 4 ice creams. Now, in the second group, how many ice creams are there? Shall we start counting? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are there? There are 6 ice creams. So what are the numbers we get? We get here 4 and here 6. So we are comparing the numbers 4 and 6. So 6 has how many more ice creams? Here only we have 4 ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4. But in the number 6 we have, in addition to the 4 ice creams, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 2 more ice creams. So how many more ice creams are here? 2 more ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, we have 2 more ice creams. 5 and 6. When comparing with the number 6, 4 has how many number of less ice creams? 4 has 2 less ice creams. Which group has less ice creams? This group has less ice creams. How many less ice creams this group has? 2. 2 less. 4 has less number of ice creams. So which one is the smaller number? Yes, 4 is the smaller number or the smallest number. And 6 is the bigger number. 4 is the smaller number and 6 is the bigger number. Now we are going to see which symbol, mathematical symbol is used to show the smaller numbers. So 4 is the smaller number and 6 is the bigger number. Now children, we are going to see another mathematical symbol to show the smaller numbers. I am going to write the symbol now. Yes, it is the symbol used to show the smaller numbers. What is the name of this symbol? It is less than. Left hand open-ended symbol. If you show your left hand like this, it is used to show the smaller numbers. So the open end of the symbol should always faces to the bigger numbers. And the arrow point towards the smaller numbers. The open end of the, if you open your mouth, it is like an open mouth symbol. Open mouth. So the open mouth should always focus the bigger numbers, but the arrow point towards the smaller numbers. What is the name of the symbol, children? It is less than. To show the smaller numbers, we use less than symbol. Whereas to show the bigger numbers, we use greater than symbol. To show the bigger numbers, we use greater than symbol. This is right hand open-ended symbol. So the open mouth is always towards the bigger numbers. So to show the bigger numbers, we use greater than symbol. To show the smaller numbers, we use less than symbol. Dear children, how we read it? Children, we read like this. 4 is less than 6. 4 is less than 6. Here, how we read it? 5 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 2. That means 5 is bigger than 2. 4 is smaller than 6. So when we are comparing the first number with the second number, we should talk about the first number. If the first number is bigger than the second number, then we use greater than symbol. If the first number is smaller than the second number, then we use less than symbol. For smaller numbers, we use less than symbol. For bigger numbers, we use greater than symbol. Now see children, there are again two groups. In these two groups, we can see objects. What is the object here? Children, what is this? Yes, you're right. It is a cupcake. Do you like cupcake? Yes? Yes, I also like so much. How many cupcakes are there here? 1, 2. Only 2 cupcakes are here. Now, how many cupcakes are in the second group? 1, 2. Here also 2 cupcakes. Now, which group has more cupcakes? Are you confusing? Yes. The two groups have equal number of cupcakes. So, the two groups have same number of cupcakes. 2 is same as 2. So, which symbol is used for the same numbers? Children, do you know which symbol is used for same numbers? If the two numbers are same, then in math, if the two numbers are the same, then we use equals to symbol. 2 is equal to 2. So here the two groups are having the same number of objects. So we should use the symbol equals to. Now have you understood children the three symbols? What are the three symbols? Greater than, less than and equal to. So to compare any two numbers, what are the symbols we use? Greater than, less than, equals to. Children, just remember both the symbols greater than and less than, The symbols open their mouths towards the bigger number. Right hand opponent symbol is greater than symbol. Left hand opponent symbol is less than symbol. Both symbols open their mouth towards the bigger numbers only. See children, here 5 is bigger than 3. So the symbol open its mouth towards the bigger numbers. Here 4 and 8. 4 is less than 8. 4 is the smaller number comparing with the number 8. So 4 is less than 8. So here also the less than symbol also open its mouth towards the bigger number only. Here 8 is the bigger number. Both these symbols look at the bigger numbers only. See children, these are the eyes of the greater than symbol. The eyes are looking at the bigger numbers to eat. Here also this is the less than symbol. In the less than symbol also the eyes are looking at the bigger numbers to eat. This is the greater than symbol. So this is the open end symbol. This is the open end and this is closed. This is the open end, it is closed. This is the less than symbol, it is open end. Open end is focusing towards the bigger numbers and the closed end is focusing smaller numbers. The arrow is pointing towards the smaller numbers. Here also the arrow is pointing towards the smaller numbers. Have you understood children these mathematical symbols? Greater than, less than and equal to. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Kindly give your valuable likes, comments and shares. Thank you.